Um, how are you doing today? How are you doing today? How is everyone doing today? Great, awesome, excellent. All right. So, welcome on board this amazing business model for knowledge givers. I look forward to serving you with a lot of powerful insights, deep insights, wisdom, entrepreneurial insights along these 5 days. Okay. So, why don't you share who you are and what you do? In the meantime, I'm sharing my screen and I would look forward to hear from you, who you are and what you do. Ravi Goel from Nidhi is teacher from Noida. Lakshmi is a healer and learner. Awesome. Who else we have here? So we have Jaya Mishra, trainer and HR consultant, coach for last 23 years. Awesome. Super. Chandan Singh is a teacher. Nagaditya Sharma, good evening. I'm doing very well, Lakshmi. Thank you for asking. Mohit, good evening. Nidhi Goel, yeah, you're from teacher. Vinay Singh is doing MLM business. Awesome. Teachers for competitive exams, Vivek Singh. And Shama Prasad is a business consultant. Ajay is a sales consultant. Awesome. Ranjan Ghosh is a motivational speaker. Prabir Kumar Sinha is an entrepreneur from Calcutta. PK Sinha. Okay. And Niharika Ghosh from Navi Mumbai, running self-help groups and educator. Awesome. Bhaskar Ghosh is a BTech running coaching center and home tuition organization. Super. So, what is it that you would like to learn from me? What is it that you would like to learn from me today or along these 5 days? Rajesh Gupta is working as a mixed martial art. Let me read out your. Great. So, Parvesh Malik is in government service running an NGO. Vivek Jadhav is a career coach. Bhaskar Ghosh is running, home tuition. And Vivek Jadhav, career coach. Parvesh Malik in government job running an NGO. Mission Jagrati. Okay. Blossom from Gujarat, psychologist, helping people in their twin flame journey through self love. Awesome. Anand Pandey is an exporter. Okay. Komal, internet marketing. Pallavi is conducting trainings for social development professionals from Mumbai. Aditya from Varanasi, welcome on board. Rajesh Gupta is working as a martial arts trainer. Awesome. Suresh from Bangalore, share market trainer. Okay. Zia, voice actor from Bangalore. Glad to have you here, Zia. Sayantan Ghosh from Kolkata, a teacher of mathematics and computer. I'm trying to understand who is present in this room. So I will take relevant examples when I talk about the concepts and implementation. So we have Prasad from Kolhapur, Namrata from Patna, Reiki master, numerologist, and tarot card reader. Awesome. So a lot of people in spiritual coaching. Aditya Anand is a yoga and meditation teacher. Great guys, awesome. So I have the right set of audience in the room. So Chetan from Kolhapur, Maharashtra, self-employed. Rao from Bangalore, brand consultant, PR specialist, brand custodian, and trainer in corporate communication. Anand Pandey wants to learn how to sell courses. And Lakshmi wants to learn whatever I teach. Okay. Chandan Singh want to enrich yourself digitally. Awesome. So that definitely this program is not only empowering you with the language of the digital world, but as much as you must know of this space that matters for your success, that matters for your growth. Okay. So Gauri Shankar is a teacher running coaching center since last 29 years. Awesome. Welcome on board. Mohit Parmar. We interact. So we interact to each other from looks in, if possible, to make all these things happen in WhatsApp group. Now, this is day one of the program, so I need to understand the target audience. Generally, I used to do this in the WhatsApp group, but then my whole day goes in that, and I'm interested to run it this way. So I will have certain agreements and announcements. So it is just a introduction. Don't worry, I'll give you 1 hour of solid content. This is day one. We just passed 6 minutes. Okay, you will get much more than what you have come here for. So this is I prefer to do it in this format, and I hope you align to it. Okay. So starting new business. WhatsApp group, what happens is when we have so many comments and somebody is not on top of WhatsApp, when they open, there are 200 comments and the important communication gets missed out. Okay. So yes, starting new business, volunteered, great. Prabir Kumar Sinha, want to scale something, learn something new to scale up businesses. Manjusha lawyer, Surat. Mohit Parmar is from Surat. Manjusha is a lawyer. Vivek Sin want to learn how to make videos and sell them on digital platform. Okay, yes, I will be talking about that. Internationally certified handwriting analyst, therapist, and faculty member. Great to know that. You own a content company, Apsara Patil from Calcutta. Great. Gauri Shankar is a language trainer from Coimbatore and would like to learn how to digitalize and monetize knowledge. Bang on. That's the agenda. Fitness and training center at Noida. Lakshmi want to be and learn entrepreneurship. Okay, mix set. Vinay Singh is saying, tell me what is your training in MLM? Tell me what is your training in MLM business? No, I don't teach MLM business. Okay. How to grow, how to reach more students? Yes. How to generate leads? That is the agenda of the program. Want to go from offline to online? Komal Kapoor, perfect. That's the agenda of the program. How to make content online? Yes, that's the agenda of the program, Ajay. Raghavendra Rao, keen to learn and pass my learnings to those who need and empower them. Super. As a knowledge giver, it is important that you not only transform your own life financially, but also the life of your students. And that is the whole intent of doing this 5-day WhatsApp class, and empowering you with knowledge in right direction. Okay. Preetam Mukherjee from Pune in L&D field for last 2 decades, running own institute for last 15 years, want to convert knowledge into digital version. Perfect. And eventually how to reach my clients. Yes. So there are 3 stages of your growth in this business, and I'll be covering all of that. So thank you, Mohit, for your understanding. Pallavi, making designs using Canva, make video testimonials too, but number of people are reaching is very few. Lead generation, that is the challenge of all the businesses. How to generate leads, that is the number 1 challenge of all the businesses. Okay, so we have to apply new age marketing strategies, and I will touch base upon all of these here. No, thank you, Mohit. Okay, Amit Chaudhary, not audible. Now am I audible? Yes, right. I may check your connection. Anyone else feel I'm not audible? Nagaditya Sharma worked for 10 years. Okay. Joyful, then got hit and loitering in depression, energy loss for more than what you do. If you are facing tough situations in your life, it is time for your next level growth. Any problems in your life is an opportunity for you to evolve as a better human being with a lot of learnings and maturity. Okay. So entrepreneur Indrajit Dharani is an entrepreneur, multiple businesses, architecture and interior designing, food health design, and trainer coach for 32 years. So what brings you to my program, Indrajit Dharani? I would like to know that. What is it that you would like to learn from me? Parvesh Malik, do we get any certificate? I don't know why do you need the certificate for 5 days? And how is it going to help? How is that certification going to help you? We will talk about that. This is a little outside the scope of the program. So great guys, I got what you do, and let's get started. Okay. So, well, first let me help you understand the 5 days agenda, right? What we will be covering across these 5 days. Today, we will discuss in detail the knowledge business model, the why, what, and how of this business model. I'll also be sharing with you the entire KDM framework, the knowledge, digitization, and monetization framework, and how to identify your genuine challenges, right? That is today's agenda. We'll have some announcements, assignments, awards, and all those things are there. Q&A, all of that will be there. Okay. Day 2, tomorrow, we will look at digitalization, which is what e-products to create. Okay, what are the products that you can create, e-products. Okay, so it is not simply about creating any product, converting your knowledge into a product. There is a format, there is a way to do that, so it becomes a high converting content that works for you. So it is the foundation. What we will do on day 2 becomes the foundation of your entire business. Not only even if you don't want to create any e-product, even if you are a business owner having some physical products or services, still this what we cover under this, which is the foundation of your business, I will introduce to you my GPS anchor, okay? which becomes the foundation of everything that you will do in this space. And not only for the knowledge business, even if you have any other physical products or services or other business that you are in, this is the foundation of your business, rock solid foundation. So it is all about identifying your unique serving proposition. It is not selling proposition, it's serving proposition. And as I said, the rock solid GPS anchor for your business is what we will be doing on day 2. Day 3, I'll help you build your influence, strategize how to build your influence, how to generate content bank in a systematic manner to position yourself as an authority. And we'll also look at how to create a high converting e-product. Okay. Day 4, we will look into product pricing and budgets involved. And day 5, I will also share with you the must-have and optional digital systems and tools. I'll share low-cost monetization strategies and your journey ahead, where I'll make an offer for you to work with me. All right. So does it sound good? Are you excited about this agenda? Font is very small. I am doing a screen share now. Is it better? Is it better now? I'm so sorry. So how many of you are excited with this agenda for 5 days? Is that anything that I have not covered and you have come here for? If you're excited, type in the chat box, super excited. If you're a very participative batch, then you receive a lot more from this side. I have a lot of things to share. It depends on your batch energy and your participation, how much you can take from me in these 5 days. Okay. So let's replace the word take with receive. How much you can receive from me in these 5 days. Okay. Awesome, guys. So before we get into the details, right? So are you also excited to create a super profitable online business right in the comfort of your home? Okay, with no office, no rentals, no employees, no shipping, just you, your laptop, internet connection, and a handful of useful digital systems and tools. Okay? That's the agenda, right? So it is possible. This is no gimmick or shortcut. It requires a lot of hard work, but it is possible because I have ventured into 7 diverse businesses since 2006. And this business model, this knowledge business model can become your super profitable online business, which you can run on your own, right in the comfort of your home. And all you need is a good laptop, a great internet connection, and a handful of digital systems and tools, which become your employees. The tools and systems are your employees. Okay. So very powerful stuff we are discussing, guys. Okay. So excited? Who wants to create such kind of an online business? So would you like to shift from offline to online with lowest investment possible? So not only it becomes profitable, but you will have your own journey. It's a journey, okay? You will have your own learning curve here. But if you stay on the course, if you do right set of things with proper strategy and systematic planning, this business model can become your lowest investment yet profitable business model. Okay. So because there's a huge wave of opportunity available for everyone now, and hence it is a very lucrative, low investment possible business model, because your inventory, what is the inventory in this business, right? If I'm running a jewelry showroom, the gold and diamond products are the inventory. In this business, your knowledge is your inventory, right? So there is no cost as such to keep on replenishing that inventory again and again, right? So your goal should actually be converting your annual income into monthly income with this business model. Okay. So what should be your revenue goal? Whatever is your whatever is your annual income, you should try to shoot for that income to become your monthly income, whatever is your current income right now. Okay. So I want to know how many of you would like to, so I have a mixed crowd here, right? How many of you want to create your own digital products, or you want to sell own physical products or services, or you want to sell others' products? So I created a poll for that. Just hold on. I'm going to give you the poll. Yeah. So I want to, because in my past batches, there were some people who didn't want to create their own digital products. So I just want to make sure I have right audience. 100%. Can I have can I have responses from the audience, please? So because I want to understand if you want to create your own digital products, or you have a physical product and services to sell, and you're looking at how to market them using the digital media, or you want to market somebody else's products and services, like MLM business, they want to market someone else's products and services, which are physical products, or you want to market your somebody else's e-products, okay, someone else's e-products, digital products. So I just want to understand what's going on within you. What is it? How many of you here want to create your own digital products? 59%. I have received only 33 51% votes. So I'm looking for more responses, because I have to change the content that way. Okay. Because if most of the people want to create digital courses, then my session will orient like that. If you want to learn how to sell your other people product services, I will orient it like that. So it depends on your batch needs. So I'm trying to understand my audience here, so I can make sure that I give you what you have come for here. Okay. So it's a poll. It's a poll. Awesome, guys. Thank you for being such a participative crowd. I love all your, I'm seeing your messages on the other window. Okay. Yeah. Okay, great. So we have 68%, 44 people out of 64 people have voted. So let me share. I'm going to end the polling. I'm going to end the polling. And I'll share the results with all of you. Okay. So we have 73% people here who want to create and sell their own digital products. Awesome, guys. You're in the right room. Okay. Create additional revenue for my for my existing business with my knowledge and expertise. Perfect, guys. This is also what I'm going to, this model that I'm going to teach you, you can apply to create an additional revenue stream from your existing business. Sell my services using online marketing strategies. You will get the strategies to market, but if I also would like to empower you to create your own products. Okay, you can do that. Whatever I'm going to teach here, because basically it also covers marketing aspect of your business, which is day two tomorrow. What the work that you will be doing is going to become your marketing collaterals, high converting marketing collaterals. Okay, so sell other products as affiliate marketer. This is not the agenda of my program. But you can learn something from this. Okay, how you can do that. So it's all about creating your own product or selling someone else's product. What is the strategy you need to apply? All right. So we also have some people who don't have clarity. Let's see at the end of 5 days, will the clarity emerge? Okay. So now I want to understand what is it that you are struggling with right now. You want to create your own digital products. right? So I just want to know, 1 second, guys. Too many windows I have to manage in. Right? So I'm giving you two links here because there are so many chat scrolling, which is good that you're participating. And I know, yes, Apsara, you have already have a successful business and want to create additional revenue stream. Yes, yes, lots in store. Okay, so I am going to share a link with you. Okay, I'm going to share a link with you. Please share your challenges there. Please, because I want to see it at one place. Okay, and I'll wait for some time. You do this, I'll also give you a link to share your Q&A, because if you ask me something and I miss seeing your question, it will just scroll through amongst chat. So I'll also give you a link to share your Q&A. I'll address all the Q&A. So I'm just trying to make it more organized so we save time and it benefits all of us, and everyone who has a question, I'll try to answer all of your questions. Okay. So this is the link. It's a Google form. If you can share what are your challenges, that will be great. And I'll also share the Q&A link. So if you have any questions while I'm sharing the content, you can share your questions in that link. So I'm going to be referring that when I'm answering your Q&A. Okay. So there are two links. This bit.ly link is the form. If you click on that link, it takes you to the Google form. KDM means knowledge, digitization, and monetization business model. I'm explaining. Hold on. I'm explaining. You have to click on this link. It's a Google form. I'm sharing it again. I'm sharing it again. Just click on the link and it will open. Here in the chat box, I'm sharing. Can you change your chat settings? Oh, I think it is my links are going only to an individual. Just a second. I understand what is your concern. Okay. Okay. I'm sharing it again. Somebody has written a personal note to me, and it just went. My links are just going to him or her. Okay. Now you should be able to see. Can you see my? Can you see? Have you received the links? Have you received the links, guys? Have you received the links? Can you hold on your chat for some time so that the links are accessible to people? Otherwise, I'll have to disable the chat. I don't want to do that. Okay. Just hold on, and we will just we're just trying to settle down. Today days one, we're just warming up, so please bear with me. I need to set certain context in place. So I've shared the agenda for 5 days. I will be explaining the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle that matter for your growth. I will also be talking about the 5 pillars of online success, and they are all very closely connected. And I will explain the knowledge, what KDM stands for and everything. All right, just hold on. All right. So please share your, I hope everybody has got the links, know your challenges. I just want you to answer what are your challenges? What are your challenges at present? What is it that you're processing? I will look at that later. I'll go ahead with my session right now. Okay. So it is very important that if you have some valuable knowledge, it is very important that you create your own products, because having dependency on someone else's products or services, it's like you're staying in a rented home. You're staying in a rented home. If something happens to that company or whatever you are dealing with so far, you're suddenly all the business that you have built collapses. So this is the era of knowledge givers, knowledge business, that empowers you to create your own digital products. And hence it is important. Would you like to stay in a rented home or your own home in the real world? Would you like to stay in a rented home or your own home? Type in the chat box. Own home, right? So in the real world, we have a home. exactly like this in the online world, because the virtual world is becoming more powerful than the real world. Most of us are spending time in the virtual world, right? Even people 80 plus, 70 plus years old are now spending 7 to 8 hours average on the virtual world, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, right? So that's a virtual world. So how about creating your own home on the virtual world, right? So it's very important that you build your own home, and that is the agenda of this 5 days, how you can build your own home, your digital asset. In real world, your stocks, your gold, your real estate is your asset, right? So it's time to create your digital assets, and your e-products, your own e-products becomes your digital asset, one of your digital asset. Okay? So we are going to be covering all of this. So do you think it's time to convert your knowledge into a forever existing digital asset, Forex, okay? FDA and Forex, and leave your legacy on this planet. See, earlier book writers, authors used to get royalty for their book. So there are two kinds of people who would like to convert their knowledge into a business model. Someone who wants to run it like a livelihood and generate income. Someone who wants to pass it on as a legacy to their next generation. So in your will, pass on your digital assets to your next generation. A lot of people say, I don't have money to give to my next generation. But if you have knowledge, you digitize that, and that can be given as an inheritance to your next generation. This is super powerful stuff, guys. Okay. So I will help you do all of this without you having to spend a fortune, even if you feel you are tech challenged or lack the necessary digital know-how or have never done business before. Okay. Excited? And this is every word that I say, I mean it. Okay, if I don't mean anything, I will not say it. Okay, so guys, super excited to be on this journey with me. How many of you are super excited to be on this journey? Type in the chat box SJ starting journey. Type in the chat box how to. I will teach all of that. Mohit Parmar, I'll teach all of that. You just have to hold on to your things. Even when I open it up for Q&A and you don't, I have still not answered anything. That is why I gave the link to put your questions in the Q&A. Okay. So at the end of the day, if you feel I have not answered anything for you, I will answer that, right? But how to target everything is, see, unless you build a foundation right, can you build your home? Unless the tree has solid roots, can the tree sustain when there is a storm, right? So how to attract target audience? They are all later stages. First, build your foundation right. Then you can build a skyscraper on that foundation. Skyscraper. Otherwise, you can't build a castle on sand. It will collapse. And that is the challenge for most business owners, because the foundation is not set right. There is no clarity in communication, what value you bring in the life of your target audience. That clarity is completely missing. The pieces don't connect properly, and hence sometimes sales happen and sometimes sales don't happen, right? So I'm going to teach many things. Just hold on to your questions, and you can if some question is coming, I want you to focus on the session and relevant to what I am teaching right now. Because when you have a question going on in your mind, you become close to the learnings that are happening and you miss out. So if you have a question, I have given the Google form. Keep it open, go and type your question there, and just forget about that question, come back to the session. This is how you can absorb the most from my sessions. I will cover all of that. Okay, whatever you want to ask, I'll allow you to ask. All right. So my agenda is to help you significantly transform the way you are generating your income right now. Would you like to do that? Would you like to transform the way you are generating your income right now? Yes. Great. So welcome to the knowledge digitization and monetization business model. It's called the KDM business model. Now, why I call it the KDM business model? Okay, your knowledge, all in here, right, is gold. Do you believe your knowledge is gold? Type in the chat box gold. If you believe your valuable knowledge and expertise, subject matter expertise is gold, type in the chat box gold. Raghavendra is saying gold, Komal Kapoor is saying gold, Mohit is saying yes, Indrajit is saying gold, Satyavan is saying gold, Zia is saying gold, Manjusha is saying platinum. Okay, but but platinum is very hard to mold. Okay, platinum is hard to mold. I like your high thinking. Yes, your knowledge is gold. Now, gold is malleable, soft. As such, you can't do anything with gold. To convert gold into a jewelry, there was a metal called cadmium, CADIUM, 8% cadmium and 92% gold. When they are mixed, beautiful jewelries get created, which is adorned by people, right? So that malleable gold has now become products, usable products, which people wear, promote, right? And become brand ambassadors of gold, right? So this is what we are going to do. Your knowledge, which is malleable, intangible in here, you need this KDM, knowledge digitization and monetization business model. 92% of your knowledge, 8% of the systems. Okay, the KDM business framework to create beautiful digital products, which not only benefits your target audience, also transforms the way you generate your income and create an impact in this world. All right. So, what are you struggling with right now? So, I hope you have put up your challenges in the sheet, right? So, can I have some of the challenges listed here, because I'll have to switch screen to look at your Excel sheet. So, what are you struggling? How to generate leads? Right? What can some of you just share? Okay, let me wait. I'm just going to go to the Excel sheet and give me a moment. Okay. Just give me a moment. I'm going to do a stop share. Let me see what are your challenges. Okay. So, I'm just trying to open the challenges that you have filled in. Let me see what are your challenges. Lack of time, lack of money, lack of resources, lack of support, lack of what else? Lack of digital know-how, right? What else? Lack of confidence, lack of discipline. What are your challenges, right? What are your challenges? What is it that is stopping your growth right now? Yes, don't know how to monetize your knowledge. Apsara Patel is saying, Apsara Palit, sorry, is saying how to turn my knowledge into product, not sure about the prospect. Yes, I am storehouse of knowledge and would like to monetize it. Raghavendra Rao is saying that. Great, that is the agenda. I'm going to help you do that. Okay, so let me open this. I want to see your responses. I want to see what are your challenges. I've got 31 responses. Super awesome, guys. I love this batch is also very active and participating. My last batch was super awesome, super participative batch. Okay. So the challenges are जे clients नहीं मिल रहे हैं, रेकी का काम कर रही हूँ पर clients नहीं मिल रहा है, because your communication, I will the foundation is not right. That is the reason. The marketing collateral is the value you bring. What are you addressing in the market is not, what are you solving for people is not, you're not communicating that. These are some of the reasons. We'll cover all of that. Okay. No idea about digitization and how to create leads. I have almost no idea about marketing. All right. So you're in safe hands. It is good that you have come to the right mentor to learn. Okay. What tools to use? I will cover that. I don't know what my challenges are. Well, you have to figure that out, what your challenges are. Okay. lack of time, lack of discipline. What is it, right? Something. If you don't know what your challenges are, how are you going to take action on them? So I'm not able to generate leads. Yeah, successful business. I want another stream, income stream. Yes, definitely. You will get a lot of ideas and strategies. Yes, perfect. Okay, but I don't know how to do it. Sourcing the right digital platform, mostly related to technology, lead generation, creating digital products, technology, need some revenue, changing into digital content. Perfect. I'm not able to take my coaching online in an organized way. Yes, this will give you a full structure in an organized way. Strategies, powerful strategies to organize your content. Lack of digital marketing. Yes. I'll cover that. Just getting started and need ideas and approach. Great. Thank you for sharing. Voice actor and trainer. I'm looking to develop this into a course package. You are definitely in for a lot of ideation on how you can create a powerful digital revenue stream for what you do at present, Zia, to generate the leads business. I'm struggling with technology and how to convert. Yes, competition. Yes. If you give massive value, you don't have any competition. Mark my words. If you give massive value, you know how to cut down your competition in the market. If you give massive value, you don't have any competition. Okay. Massive value. Okay. So, sourcing the right platform, I'll cover this mostly related with technology. We'll take care lead generation, digital product, digital technologies. I think you guys more or less, whatever is yours, whatever are your challenges, that is the agenda of my program. Okay, that is the agenda of my program. All right. So let's get back to our slide deck. So I get your challenges and I'm here to help you with your challenges. All right. So just tighten your seat belts. Just tune into me completely. Switch off all the distractions. Okay. We are just warming up for today, and I've changed the format in which I generally do the sessions. So I just need your little cooperation and support, and I'll make sure that everything will fall in place. Okay. So now it's time to shift gears, right? So how do you shift your gears? Okay. Just stay calm and relax. Okay. A calm mind gives you clarity, right? So it is very important to identify your challenge, whether it is a genuine challenge or it is a self-created challenge. Okay? I'm so glad that none of you wrote that money is a challenge. None of you have written money as a challenge. I'm so excited with that. I can't tell you how excited I am with that. Because you know what? You just need enough money. All you need is our strategies. Okay. No one who has ever started with the best investment possible. Everybody starts from scratch. As much they have, they invest. So if you don't know how to make money without money, you will never know how to make money with money. I'll repeat that. If you don't know how to make money when you don't have money, in quotes, or without money, you will never learn how to make money with money. So more than money, you just need good enough money for the kind of business that you want to venture in, right? For example, when I started my gold and diamond business, the good enough money was in crores. But when I started my first venture IT company, the good enough money was in few lakhs. But today, as we are talking, the knowledge business, as long as you have a laptop, a good laptop, a decent camera, okay, a webcam or a camera where the quality of your picture comes good, and you have the voice quality, a mic, an internet connection. Lot of digital systems and tools are free. You don't have to pay money to create a Facebook account or a LinkedIn account or a WhatsApp account yet, right? So this is the lowest investment possible business. I want you to ask yourself, if you're already in business, those who are already in business here, right? If you were to start another outlet, another office, another showroom, another shop, another institute, how much it is going to cost you right now in the real world? In the real world, if you were to start your own office, shop, institute, business, factory, whatever you're doing at present, existing business owners, a new office, new showroom, how much it is going to cost you? Rentals, staff salaries, deposits, housekeeping expenses, telephone bills, electricity bills, right? So many expenses are there, right? But with the digital world, that is why I'm saying it has become affordable to everyone. And how much we will see is required to create another online office. So we are not going to talk about offline office anymore. I'm helping you create your online office, your home on the internet, your home office on the internet. So it's time that you shift gears, adapt to the changing world easily, right? Not with chaos, confusion, but with clarity. So chill. I am here to help you. Okay. So it's time. So now what is that? It's time that you empower yourself with the necessary know-how of the digital space. It's time for you to learn some new age skills. And in this world, it is about writing your marketing collaterals. And it's called copywriting. I don't want you to become, if you want to, great, but your business content which really matters for your business, you should be able to write that, and I will teach you how to do that. Okay, that is the foundation of your business, because that is the value communication that you will do for your products or services, and everybody in your team will be talking the same language. So acquire new age salesmanship skills. So it's no longer, I see some people, I'm so glad that in this batch, I don't have people who are promoting themselves on the WhatsApp group. I used to open it up. People will start sharing their website and this and that. I have a proper governance in place. But that way of hard selling or pushing your products and services on people is over. Nobody buys like that. In fact, it ruins your reputation if you are doing that. Unless there is a need, you are not going to sell your products or services. Okay, so there is an art of new age salesmanship skills. So content writing, copywriting, new age salesmanship skill is what you need to acquire, and some necessary know-how, jargons of the digital world, and some digital systems and tools which are very easy to use. And if it is not easy, I will make it easy for you. Okay, so it's time to become truly independent of the self also. Once you digitize what you know, suppose Zia digitizes his voice training modules. Currently, he must be giving personal time to people in a group class also. So in 1 hour, he is bounded by the physicalities, right? But if Zia creates his voice modulation courses, while hundreds of students are going through the courses in automated manner, Zia is doing something else. He is working on his health, or he is working on creating another product, or he is giving personalized sessions to people who can afford what he truly deserves. Right? So, how much of the digital world you must know? A lot of people say, I want to learn digital marketing. Unless you're planning to open an agency which will do digital marketing for others, I strongly advise you not to get into digital marketing, because it's an ocean. It's like how much you have done schooling, graduation, post graduation, to become a chartered accountant or a lawyer or a doctor or an engineer, or to become a PhD in a subject. How much years of effort you have put in. Digital world is like that. So you must only know as much as it is relevant to you. And I'm going to teach you what is relevant to you. Okay. And you must have an extreme sense of urgency to shift from offline ways to online ways of doing business. Make sense? This is how we will be changing gears across these 5 days. If you agree with this, type in the chat box CG, changing gears. I don't want you to type in the chat box CG, changing gears, or just O2O, offline to online, whatever you resonate with, changing gears or O2O, offline to online. Great, guys. Nidhi is O2O, Rajesh is CG, Bhaskar is CG, Bhaskar Ghosh, Indrajit is CG, Komal Kapoor O2O, Rajesh Gupta O2O, CG Prashant, both CG and O2O. I like that. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are in the right room with the right mentor. I am not your coach. I am not your coach. Okay. Hardly 5% I play the role of a coach. I'm your mentor. I'm your consultant. I'm your teacher. You can call me your guide. And I am not your coach. Okay. Because I really want to empower you with what is necessary for you to move forward from here, propel in the right direction. Okay. So we looked at your challenges, we looked at the change of game plan, and now I'll be sharing with you the success blueprint in the internet age and the three stages of your growth, which is digitization first, monetization next, and then marketing. Okay. So that if you are on this journey in a dedicated, disciplined manner, taking small steps, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time, your final outcome that you deserve is a WWW lifestyle, which is called whatever, wherever, whenever, without worrying about affordability. And this model makes it possible even for ordinary people who have never done before business before, who feel tech challenged. It is possible for you, and I am going to help you do that. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's look at what is the success blueprint in the internet age. So, we will also look at how to build your knowledge business online. Now, what is the meaning of business? You must have a product or service to sell online, right? What do we mean by business? We need something to sell, right? We need something to sell. Do you agree? Either a product, a physical product, service, or a digital product, right? And I already told you that why it is important to create your own e-products, digital products. It's time to create those digital products to sell online as your business. And what is your main product? Your knowledge into courses, e-courses is the digital product that I am talking about, right? So we are all set to create your online office, right? So let us look at how the business models have evolved over a period of time, right? Earlier, we had brick and mortar businesses long back, right? Nokia with 100 plus offices, thousands of employees got sold at $7.5 billion. Then there was an era of e-commerce businesses, and there it's all going on right now. Like Amazon is an e-commerce business, and then we also saw the era of aggregator businesses also in trend right now, which is your Ola, Uber, Swiggy, Airbnb. They don't own any assets. They're just connecting the producer and the consumer via platform. So their business model is basically a platform business model. Okay. So what we are going to see is how to leverage the platform business model. Okay. Either you can create your own home or you can stay on a rented home. Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera, there is now Unacademy, whatever these courses have come up, right? Whatever platforms. Until 2017-18, nobody was talking about these platforms. And now suddenly because of COVID, you know, what businesses have, see, there was a time when real estate was booming. There was a time when IT industries were booming, right? Then there was a time when franchising and retailing was booming in the last 20 decades I'm talking about, right? Then we had these aggregator business models that were booming, the dot-com boom, right? So what do you see is the next boom in the industry? Knowledge business. Okay, so the platform businesses that I spoke about, see, some of the platforms are like, like Twitter, Amazon, Kindle, YouTube are media and content platforms. LinkedIn, Facebook are social platforms. WhatsApp is a communication platform, right? So like this, we have different platforms. Udemy is also a learning platform, right? So I'm not going to get into the details of this. We'll just skip that, right? So all these Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, WhatsApp, they are all platform business model, right? So The brick and mortar, thousands of employees, 100 plus offices worldwide got sold at $7.5 billion. A platform business model with just single office and 55 employees gets sold at $19 billion, right? A brick and mortar business model took 86 years to make their first $1 billion, and YouTube made its first $1 billion in less than a year. As you see, the entire world has now shrunk inside your laptop, right? So post COVID, even before COVID, prior to COVID, the world was already shifting to new ways of doing things. You are shopping on Amazon, you are communicating on WhatsApp, you are paying via Paytm, GPay, you are watching movies on Netflix. Everything was changing. Now, what has forcefully changed due to COVID is the landscape of education and learning and marketing. And this business model, the knowledge business model, that is why knowledge givers, it is your time. This is the era of knowledge-based business, single employee, single location. You can make as much you can take as much market share as you wish, your capacity, your capabilities, if you do right set of things. Okay. So now people have started learning on Udemy. I'm just taking one example, right? Let us look at the Udemy statistics. 50 million users. This is my 3 or 4 months back, I have taken this statistics. Okay, 190 countries, only 1.5 lakh courses, revenue 558 million per year. So do you think there are e-learners? So where are e-teachers? There are e-learning is happening. Do you see a huge opportunity in being an e-teacher, a e-mentor, a e-coach, right? So this industry, e-learning and e-teaching, is going to grow by 40%, estimated to be 400 billion by 2025. So it is very important that you get on this journey as soon as you can, because you're riding a huge digital wave, which is favoring you. So far, the teachers were never were financially that great. They struggle. Knowledge is like gold, but still we are not able to monetize it like gold, right? I have reached wherever I am today, but I see my teachers still there, and I really feel bad about it. I want to do something about it, right? So see how how technology adoption will impact you, right? So whenever there is a new technology that comes in the market, there are 2.5% innovators. Then we have early adopters, which are 13.5% people. For example, when Android started, Android innovation happened somewhere around 2006, 2007 or 4 time frame, 2003 or 4. But by the time everybody is on Android is almost 10, 12 years from since then, 13, 14 years since then. Right? So there are innovators of Android, then there are some people who are early adopters of the technology, and then we had early majority somewhere around 2014-15 time frame, right? Right? And then some late majority, some more came on board in 2017-18, and now because of COVID, everybody is on technology. 80-year-old Kathak teacher teaching Kathak on Zoom because they are forced. So even the laggards have to adopt technology. So right now, we are riding this wave of knowledge business, knowledge-based business model, right? I want to ask you this question. We are no more inventors. That era happened in 2011-12. We are also not early adopters right now. We are just an early majority, okay? So sooner or later, you will have to do this, okay? I want to ask you, where do you see yourself in this curve? Where do you see yourself in this curve? Right? Answer that. Where do you see? Where do you want to be? Early adopters or late, early majority or late majority? Can I have some of your answers, please? Early majority. Ravindra Rao says early majority. Yes, Niharika is saying early majority. Apsara is saying early majority. Yes, ride this wave, guys. This is a huge opportunity for us, right? So I see that. Do you see it is so important to create your digital products now? Because sooner or later you will have to do it. The earlier you do it, the better. You get what is the benefit you get? See, if you are sowing a seed, your course, whatever products you are going to create is a seed. Do you expect the seed to become a tree and start giving you flowers or fruits the next day or within 1 month or so? It depends on the type of seed or the type of tree it is, right? But sow the seed at least and nurture the course is your seed. The digital product that you create is the seed. It will need nurturing of Facebook, YouTube, or WhatsApp, or whatever, social media, your website, whatever. All those automation, digital system, it will need all that nurturing so that it becomes a tree which can sustain on its own gradually. So it is a journey, as I said, right? First, at least make your seed, right? So some other advantages of e-learning, I'm sure you understand, they accommodate different learning styles, allows your clients to proceed at the pace that's right for them, right? See, a lot of people say I'm not able to attend the session at 9, but will you give me the recording so I can access it later, right? Isn't that helping? If this was an offline program, it is missed, right? So very powerful stuff, guys. I hope you can see the invisible. Most people only see the visible. You see the tree, but do you realize that a strong tree has strong roots? The invisible. What's the invisible? We see the tip of the iceberg, but do we see below the iceberg what is there? I hope you can see the invisible stuff that is possible with this business model. It also allows access to expertise that might be out of reach financially. If my offline program, if you come, when I used to run that, my minimum package starts with 60,000, 3-day program. But I was always working at how to make it affordable for people. So it becomes pocket friendly. If Roger Federer converts his tennis experience into a tennis course, and thousands and millions of people go through that course, or whoever wants to become tennis player, don't you think a digital product can be priced affordably that can suit the different pocket sizes? That's the power of this business model, right? So don't miss this great opportunity of riding this digital wave. If you are in, type in the chat box, I am in. I am in, right? All you need is right systems at right place, automation, tools, okay, with an expert hand holding you. Okay, because if you do it on your own, it's not that you can't do it on your own. You can do it on your own. It will take time. It will take money. You will have your failures. You will learn by making mistakes. So it's important that you handhold someone who is willing to lend that hand to you. Okay, because you know what is the regret in our life? Mostly we don't regret what we have done. We regret what we have not done. There is an opportunity, and 5 years down the line, I don't want you to think that I had an opportunity, I didn't do anything about it. Okay, most of the time people repent what they have not done. I missed so many real estate investment in Bangalore 20 years before when I came to Bangalore. I had a site which was 300 rupees square feet, and within 2 years it became 3,000 rupees square feet because I got stuck in my decision paralysis, trying to convince everybody in the home, and it did not happen. And I could not buy that. I have done many such mistakes in life. Okay. So till today, I repent that. Okay. It's not repent, it's like, what if I would have done that, right? Because we have done 7 businesses, we could have had much more than what across the 7 businesses than the one right real estate investment. So there is no point in regretting the past, but I don't want anybody here to know, if you are in this room, you're here for a reason. So you are being given this wisdom, right? So easily in your hands, make the most of it, right? So time to turn your passion into profits, turn your expertise into online courses and make significant profit. And this is your golden age business model. And I call it insightful entrepreneurship. Okay, insightful entrepreneurship, right? So I'm going to be covering the what, why, and how of e-teaching, right? So the success blueprint in the internet age. What is the success blueprint in the internet age? You need the digital puzzle, all the pieces of the digital puzzle fitting at the right place to make this digital puzzle work for you. Now, what are the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle? The 8 pieces of the digital puzzle are, okay, sorry guys. website, and we will not call it website any longer. We are going to create your online office, your home office on the internet. Now, this word website should be replaced with online office in your dictionary, because website is just like an empty site on the web. How you have an empty site on the real world, most of the website today are like an empty site only, because the information they are carrying is only information. Okay, so I hope you understand the difference between information, knowledge, insight, deep insights, and wisdom. Information, this age, information is not a problem. There is no lack of information in this information age. What is problem is, what is the problem? Too much of information, overwhelming information, because we are not able to put everything in one place, step by step, structured, sequential, organized manner. So you can cut down all the learning curve and focus on learning. So your website is the most important piece, the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle, but it should not be called website. It should be called your online office. And now at this program, this is not the agenda of this program. I have a separate program called Go Digital and Grow Digital for Entrepreneurs, where I teach all of this. But here, because this is important for knowledge givers, I am sharing with you what are the 8 pieces that you must know and have. So website, your web presence in the form of your online office, and that itself becomes your digital asset. Then the content on the website, what are you writing, the content, the communication on the website, right? Content and communication, there are 2 different pieces. Content is in the form of your videos, in the form of your PDF, in the form of your templates, in the form of blogs, audio, podcast. So many things are there. Content in various forms, right? That what are you communicating? How are you presenting your content? Because content is not king. Relevant content is king. Relevant content is king. And how to make the content relevant? For that, you should know whom are you creating this content for. For that, you will have to define your target audience. For that, you should know what is the pain you're solving in the market, and why your solution is unique, and how will your target audience gain from your unique solution. And that are all the things that will make your content and communication high converting and sellable. Okay. Now, which social media to be present? There are tons of social media platforms. Where should you be? Everywhere? Then you are nowhere. Where should you be? Where your customers are. Where should you be? I like Facebook, so should I be on Facebook? But my customers are in Instagram. If you're dealing with millennials, you have to be where they are, not where you like to be. And the strategy is to use only one platform at a time and grow your influence on that platform, right? So automation, this is the era of automation, systems, collaboration, tools, right? How to generate leads automatically from your web presence, whether it is your YouTube video, whether it is your website, wherever I'm using the word website, because if I start writing your online office, because the term right now is website. So please replace it in your mind with online office. Okay. So lead generation automatically via your content and communication. Communication is what you are writing on emails, messages on the website. What is the value you are communicating about your products or services, right? So automation is how to generate leads automatically. Well, why are we doing all this jugglery? Finally, we want to generate leads from our social presence, from our online presence. So how to capture them in an automated manner? So most of the website right now are very informative. You're talking about the features of your products and services, and there is a contact us form where the person is supposed to go on the contact us form, click and enter the details, and then it will go in your email, info@xyzcompany.com. That era is over, outdated. Nobody is going to click on the contact unless you are in a very niche space where no one else is existing, which is rare in current timeline. Very few people will do that. People have such short attention span. if you don't attract their attention in first few seconds on your website, they are gone forever. Your homepage is the most visited page on the planet, and the first two lines of your homepage will make or break your visitors. And once they stay on your website, they are no longer going on their own. You will have to help them navigate how they should be going through your web presence. It is like when somebody comes to your home in the offline world, do they on their own go and check all the rooms? You take them, right? You show them what is where. Exactly same thing in the online world. They are your guests, visitors. You will have to make sure how you are making them navigate your website, and how are you engaging them and collecting their details because they have an interest in your product and services, by giving them free things on your web presence, right? The law of the online world is givers gain. Give and gain is the law of the online world. So all this is possible via right automations, right tools. And once you get their name and email ID, how are you engaging with them automatically? Right? Then there are different types of funnels, sales funnels and marketing funnels, webinar funnel or whatever, WhatsApp funnel. I'm not going to get into details because this is my course itself, okay, for entrepreneurs, SME business owners who want to make the most of their online presence and create and accelerate their high converting online presence. For you, it is important to understand this because this is the stage 3 in your knowledge business. All of these you need in stage 3. Most of the people, coaches in the market tell you everything of this. So this is like, you have bought a showroom and you have decorated, nice showroom, interiors is done, everything is done, but you don't have anything to sell. Customers are also coming, but no product to sell. Like you have a shop, well done shop, high-end shop, and there are no products. Customers are also coming. What will you sell? So when you have limited money, I said you just need good enough money. You need strategies. So when you have limited money, just good enough money, what should you be doing first? Making your website, setting up your automation systems, creating your marketing funnels, learning how to do Facebook campaign, or first thing which is right in your control and almost free, you can record your videos. So first stage is digitalization of your knowledge, which is in your control. And this is stage 3 in your business. And people who are already into training business, who have a list, then both of these things can go in parallel because you can completely outsource this work and focus on content creation. So within 1 month, you are ready with everything. Your complete business in autopilot mode, online business. For people who already have in training institute, have been coaches 20, 25 years, have 10,000, 15,000 list of your database, okay? Even 1,000 is good to go. Even 500 is good to go. Even 100 is good to go, okay? So there are, depending upon which stage you are in, you have to do certain things. And that is why I'm sharing it with so much passion and intensity, because I have personally gone through this in last 3 years. I have spent more than 20 lakhs in learning and implementing, failing, or taken for a ride and not getting the outcome I deserved. So I want to give you the best because I know not many people have that kind of money to experiment, explore, and learn. Right? So campaigns are your organic paid campaigns. In offline world, you do TV ads or you are doing commercial flyers, whatever. That in the offline world, billboards, hoardings for bigger businesses. For smaller businesses, you will do flyers or your visiting card. This becomes your marketing stuff. So in the online world, it's called campaigns. Okay, and there is so much money you save. You can't afford a TV ad, but you can always afford a Facebook ad. And currently Facebook allows you to boost your post in just $400 a week and stuff like that. Super powerful stuff, guys. Okay, the system is supporting, the environment is supporting, people are forced to be on systems, e-learning, people are open to learning on online. So everything is in your favor. All you have to do is just simply get started, get going on this. Analytics helps you look at what, see, when my right now my agency is doing my campaigns, but even I have done my own campaigns, and analytics is seeing which campaign is working for you and what campaign is not working for you. So you create various ad sets. The one which is doing better, you put more money there. The ones which are not doing better, stop it. So analytics help you take powerful decision, because now you're looking at data. You think your blog is working, but the data shows that people are coming from YouTube videos. So focus on YouTube videos more than writing blogs. So analytics is a super powerful step. So the question is, how many pieces of the digital puzzle you have? And it's not about how many you have. Whatever you have, are they fitting at the right place? So this is the reason why the success is not happening for most people. And if you even have spent money with agencies doing Facebook campaign, unless you are involved in it, it will not go through, because there is a very different approach to marketing, the new age marketing, salesmanship. It is all dependent on the content and communication that you are doing in the online world. Okay, so I'm setting your foundations right. Okay, so now 8 pieces of the digital puzzle and 5 pillars of massive online success. Sorry guys, my session is going to spill over. It's for your own benefit, your own growth. Those who want to stay, stay. Those who want to have hardship, if you want to leave, leave. So every day the Zoom link remains the same. I'll make some announcements. And 9 p.m. every day, live sessions, recordings will be posted on YouTube, or it will be all, and also given on the Zoom cloud. You can access the recordings. And the recordings, I will withdraw the access on Saturday, 4 p.m. Okay, I will come to announcements and agreements if some people want to leave. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, Raghavendra Rao. Yes, thank you, Nidhi Goyal. I'm in Bhaskar. Yes, awesome, guys. Okay, so I was so much into the session that I was not looking at your chats. So I'll continue, okay, because I have a lot more to share. Okay, so let's look at 5 pillars of massive online success. So though we are taking them different ways, but they are all very finely, intricately connected. Okay, so but these are the terms that you must know. Learn the language of the digital world, not the complete ocean, as much as it's relevant for you. And I'm teaching you that. So what are the 5 pillars of success in digital world? Traffic generation. So people say, I did a Facebook campaign, but I'm not getting leads. There are many reasons why it is not working. Okay. I've also gone through that cycle myself. Okay. Now you have generated, suppose your campaign is right. Okay. I have now, my Facebook campaigns are doing well. Now people come on my website, right? Traffic has been generated, directed to my webinar funnel or website. Now, if my website is not good enough, not attracting the attention, I will have visitors. But because I did not capture their attention, they are gone. So I will say Facebook campaign is not working. Nothing to do with the Facebook campaign right now, because whatever needed to make the successful campaign, that's done. The ad copy, the audience setting, there are a lot of things there. I'm not getting into there. But traffic generation using campaigns, but how to create the campaigns, again it comes back to content and communication, my GPS anchor, which I will cover tomorrow. What gains are you giving to the pain areas of your target audience with your unique solution? That is the foundation of all the businesses, because it helps you communicate your value with clarity. Okay, so traffic generation is how to generate traffic towards your offering. List building is when people have given their name and email ID, instead of going in Excel sheet or some email ID, it should go into a list building email marketing system. Earlier, all these things were very expensive, but now we have very powerful tools, email marketing systems, autoresponders that can help us automate at as low as $15 a month. No, you will not get housekeeping staff for that money. So that is why I'm saying these digital systems and tools are your employees. You don't need to train them. You need to get trained on how to use them. Okay. Conversion, that is, I said, new age salesmanship skill, and especially in the knowledge business, there is a conversion strategy. When a visitor has come, how you try to make them your lead, and then how do you make them your prospect, And then from prospect to a customer, there is a conversion strategy. That when you give them something free, that's a conversion strategy. What you give free is called a lead magnet. And then when they are inside, if they want to explore your offering, you give them a low ticket offering. Because in online world, people do not pay a lot of money. They just want to see your capability and potential. So for the knowledge business, you have to create a low ticket offering, and it's called a tripwire. And once that is done, then your core product, which is the implementation that you do in the offline world, and then personal consulting or coaching should be your profit maximizer. Group coaching or personal coaching can be your consulting, can be your profit maximizer, whatever you want to call coach. I'm not disrespecting the word coach, but I have analyzed, I don't fit there. I don't fit in that role. Because I have walked the path myself. I'm a mentor. I give solutions. And I don't wait for you to come up with the solution. If I know the solution, I will give it. That is why I don't fit in the category of coaches. All right. So copywriting is the art of writing value communication, not like becoming author or like that, but value communication. That is copywriting for you as a business owner. Okay. And tribe building. This is the era of community building. Because you know why certain hotels survive and certain don't. See, if you go to certain hotels, they give massive value at low cost. That is one reason. Second reason is, whatever is your favorite hotel, look at how many times have you gone back to the same hotel. So you grow in business not with one-time selling, but with recurring income from that customer. Not even recurring. I'm not using the recurring is not the right recurring we can use in the online world, but it is a repeat sales from an existing customer. Right? So how do you get repeat sales from existing customers in the online model? You have to build your community and nurture them. I engage them. That era of hunting, one time is gone. Hunting over farming. Right? So these are the 5 pillars for success in the digital world. Okay. So 8 pieces of the digital puzzle, 5 pillars of massive success. That makes your digital puzzle complete and working for you. Makes sense? Type in the chat box. Did you understand what I shared with you? Jaya Mishra says yes. Raghvendra Rao is saying yes. Yes. Yes, superb, awesome. I love it. Niharika Ghosh, yes. Komal Kapoor, yes. Rajesh Gupta, yes. Yes, 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 yes. I want to see more yes. Let's rain yeses. Raining yeses. I want to see raining yeses. Nidhi Goyal, yes, very true. Satyam Ghosh, yes. Where are my other tribe? 57 people are still hanging around. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, I will make it more interesting for you. Okay. So we discussed the 5-day agenda. Tomorrow we will be covering what e-products can you create? What are the e-products that you can create? So today's assignment is, so the knowledge business framework is digitization, monetization, and marketing. The framework is, first digitize one of your offerings, then monetize it with few 10, 20 customers. And then when it starts doing well, when you understand your customer better, then you create a product that can sustain for some time. Okay. And then you are ready to scale. And that's where you will have all the marketing systems in place. And there are 6 systems that you need. Okay. So this is the framework. This is how it will work. Now we will look at the I generally call it digitization, but digitalization or digitization, whatever you prefer to call, right? So it is which products to create, right? Which products you should be creating. So I will be covering that tomorrow. It's just not about simply taking your course and recording. Then it is not a high converting course. There is a strategy you need to apply. What the market wants? Number one, as the subject teachers, it's a little easier approach, but life coaches, spiritual coaches, right? So little, you need a more powerful strategy to find your space in the market. Okay. So for that, it is very important to identify what's your unique serving proposition. And for that, you need my GPS anchor, your GPS anchor. And we will be doing all of that tomorrow, right? So what we are going to cover tomorrow is what is the course that you can create, what e-products you can create, right? So give a thought to it. So your assignment for today is, I want you to first of all identify your challenges. Lack of time is a self-created challenge. Lack of money is a self-created challenge. Not knowing digital know-how, genuine challenge. Not knowing how to go online, genuine challenge. Not knowing what are the tools and systems to use, genuine challenge. Not knowing how to create lead magnets, genuine challenge. Okay. Anything that is related to will I be able to do it, non-genuine challenge. Sorry. Okay. You should not say I'm thinking whether I can do this or not. You ask a more empowering question. How can I do this? If you have lack of confidence, non-genuine challenge. As a knowledge giver, you should be confident because you're bringing value in someone's life. If you're selling cigarette, beer, drinks, right? Then if you are low on confidence on selling your product, understandable, because it is bringing health, it is disturbing the health of people. So you're not confident about your products or services, understandable. But if you are in a knowledge business, that is why if you are in information business, this is not for you. And moreover, whenever I'm using the word knowledge, because I have to use it, I want you to replace that word knowledge with insights, deep insights and wisdom. Because if you have valuable insights, that comes only because you took information, you experimented and applied that information, it became your knowledge. Over years, it became your insights. And when you started applying that, you further got deep insights. And finally, very in few words, you express what you have to express, that becomes your wisdom. So if you are just an information provider, this business model is not for you. You will not sustain. Only if you have knowledge also, you may just be able to sustain if you are a good speaker. But if you really want to change people's life as a coach, you must be having deep insights and wisdom from your own personal experience. You would have helped others. You have success stories, and that's why you have earned the right to create that topic, create that course, because it has your own uniqueness to it, right? So we will be discussing tomorrow which or what course to create, what transformation can you give to your clients, and how can you give and guarantee that transformation, and how will you validate your thoughts in real time. This is tomorrow's agenda. All right. So in short, tomorrow's agenda is 4-step process, which is decide your course, record your videos, publish it on a platform, and start selling. This is digitization and monetization. But it is not so easy. Not like this is the 4 steps, 4 immediate action steps. But the first is decide which course, right? So the action item for today is, now I wanted to share something about me. I hope you have gone through my video. I don't want to waste even 1 minute talking about myself. Okay. So I would like you to please go through the day zero video link that I have given. Though I have not covered about my businesses there, I'm going to quickly tell you about, I have been a serial entrepreneur since 2006. I have ventured into IT, non-IT, B2B, B2C, franchising in education, entertainment, retailing, okay, handling different ticket size products, low ticket to high ticket, 80 rupees ice cream to 80 lakhs gold and diamond products. Okay. So I'm a software engineer by background. Though I started with a financially and emotionally struggling childhood, when I was 5 years old, my father met with an accident. But I've received so much help from strangers in my life that I want to be of that help to people. Okay. So being a so-called topper, I struggled to find job post graduation, not job, right job. Okay. I worked as a lecturer in my college. I worked in a papercraft industry, assembling computers and all. So it was not about job. It was about the right job that matched my capabilities and potential. That was the lowest period of my life because 3 years, more than 20 companies written test, I failed. The entry level test, I failed. I could not move to next level. And I started doubting my own talents and skills. That was the lowest point in my life. I was both broke and broken because my friends got into IT companies and I was still struggling. And I don't know why I was struggling. So I started questioning that, is the system incorrect or there is some problem with me? Is the system of assessment incorrect or there is a problem with me? But when I got the job, I was among performers. I was doing better than IITians and MBAs from great universities. So I was working with a lot of common sense. I'm present, I observe and apply. And that is my strength, right? So being victim of office politics during maternity made the Bakra of bell curve normalization policies, given the lowest rating, being a performer. So instead of being unhappy at workplace, I simply quit without even knowing what I'm going to do next. And a whole world of possibilities opened up for me. I did something about what was painful for me, right? So I always say, Bruce Lee's quote, to hell with circumstances, I create opportunities. And I want you also to say, to hell with circumstances, I create opportunities. Write THCICO or THC, to hell with circumstances, ICO, I create opportunities. Thank you, Manjusha. Thank you, Jaya Mishra, ICO. Manjusha Bhagde, ICO. Yes, right? So you can know more about me. Do a Google on my name. Check out my website if you want to know more about me. Okay, this is some of my glimpses. Though I was in merit list, but I struggled to find job, and I'm coming from very humble backgrounds. Okay, so this is just for you to have a glimpse on my beginnings, right? So if I can do it, anyone can do it. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Okay, guys, so that's all I had to share for today. I want to make some announcements and agreements. So do I have your permission to make some announcements and agreements? All right. So what are your assignment for the day? Okay, now assignment time. Ravi Goel is saying Shandar meeting. Thank you, sir. Nagaditya is saying you are great. No, you would have to start to be great. Okay, just get started. You will also be great. Okay. All right. So where is my mind map? All right. So I'm going to do a screen share. So I want you to share your top learnings of the day in the WhatsApp group. That is number one assignment. I will share the assignment later in the WhatsApp group, but I'm just sharing it with you right now that your assignment for the day is sharing your learnings, sharing your learnings in the WhatsApp group, number one. Then I want you to identify your most genuine challenge. I want you in your journal, you will make list of all your challenges. Whatever is coming to your thoughts, 10, 20, 50 challenges, you write down. Challenges, what are problems you're facing right now? I want you to list all of them. Then I want you to qualify, just pick the genuine challenges. Okay, I want you to identify the genuine challenges. Okay, then I want you to identify all the courses that you think you can create, digital products. Whatever knowledge you have, okay, whatever knowledge you have, I want you to identify, 1 second, I will do a screen share. I want you to identify all the courses that you think you can create. So what are your 3 assignments? Sharing your top 3 learnings. By sharing, you are re-emphasizing your learnings. And those who have not captured something else, they also get to learn from your learnings. So you can take a screenshot if you're handwriting it and post it on the group. You don't have to type it. So share your top, and that is every day's assignment. Every session, I want you to share your learnings. Will you do this? Will you do this? Do I have your agreement? Because then I also know what you have absorbed and what important piece you missed. So I have to redo that next day, because something is important and nobody has captured that. Then I have to see that maybe I didn't communicate it properly. So it is a mutual learning platform. It's a community learning platform, right? So I need your help. Will you help me? Will you support me in this initiative? Can I get your support? Will you share your top three or top whatever learnings? Okay, how many learnings you want to share? Will you do that, please? Thank you so much. Thank you, Gauri. Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you, Komal. Thank you, Manjusha. Right. So now, what is happening to my screen share? Okay. So let's get into some announcements. Who else is saying yes? Rajesh is saying yes. Komal is saying yes. Thank you so much, guys. Then Dhanishri is saying yes. Prashant is saying yes. Niharika is saying yes. Thank you so much. So share your learnings. That's your daily assignment. First thing you will do is share your assignments. Share your learnings, sorry. Share your learnings of the day. Okay. Number one. Then today's assignment, you will list all your challenges in your new journal. Then you will on the next page, you will identify what is your most genuine challenge. Okay. And then you will create list of courses that you think you can convert into digital products. Whatever you think you have knowledge on, I want you to make a list of all the topics that you think can be converted into digital products. And you have my words. Every single word that I am using here has a context and is connected. I will speak nothing that is out of context. And you will be able to connect all the dots by day 5. So if you have made me your mentor for this week and I have decided to spend my time with you, please make the most of our time together. Please make the most of our time together this week. Because beyond that, this week, if you are not coming ahead on the journey with me, though I will be doing a lot of sessions, I will stay connected with you. I will not be accessible. Okay. So please make I'm setting everything before upfront so that you understand that where you have landed up, what are you learning, and how is it going to transform your life, right? So the announcements are your joining link remains the same every day. Okay. Timings, we will be doing the sessions at 9 p.m. except on day 5. I'm thinking of doing it at 7 p.m. I'm not sure right now. Okay. I will let you know on Thursday. Okay. The delivery format is like this, how we have today, live sessions. I can simply give you recorded sessions, but I don't want to do that. Earlier batches, I would take a poll, recorded or live. Do you want recorded session or live sessions with me? Would you like to have recorded sessions or live sessions with me? Live sessions, right? Live sessions. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Because I also want to give you live sessions. Okay. So live session, but the session recording will be available on Zoom, Cloud, as well as YouTube. Okay. I will try to do it as early as I can. Wait for it. Okay. Then this is the delivery format we have discussed. Timing also we have discussed. Yeah, I will, if you do your assignments, I will review your assignments. And those who submit it first, get the review. If you are submitting late, because my reviews itself can go on for 8 hours. We have to finish the content, and reviews are not part of this program. But I want to make sure you're thinking in right direction and correct so that everybody learns by application of the learnings you are receiving. So I will review. But, I'm requesting that, please don't demand reviews. Okay, it becomes very challenging. I can't honor all of that. But I'll try my best. If there is something drastically wrong, I have to correct it. If things are going in right direction, I will say that. But I am keeping the WhatsApp group open. I'm not closing the chat now. But please, anyone here who is here to simply promote your offerings or extract the database of people, this platform is not for you. This forum is not for you. Okay. Please do not promote your products, offerings, because people have come here to learn something from me. And let's keep it very focused. I have a governance system in place. If anybody does that at any point in time, I'm simply going to remove you from the group and refund your money also. Okay. So is it okay? Can I do that? Let's respect each other's space, right? So recordings will be uploaded on YouTube. I will try to do it before 9 a.m. next day, and all the recordings of this batch will be revoked by Saturday 4 p.m. Why? Because if I keep, first of all, this is my program, right? If the recordings are always there, people will not attend the program, right? So I also have a business model in place. I also need to generate revenue and funds. So that is one reason. And second is, I want you to finish whatever you have signed up for. If the recording is for forever, people don't go through it. So I don't want to do that. So by Saturday 4 p.m., all the recordings will be revoked. Okay. Create a new journal. Questions related to today's session only, please post in the Q&A form. Okay, now today we are getting little delayed, so I'll look at the questions. Okay, something I have missed, I will cover it tomorrow. Okay, and attend all your sessions, do your assignments, shift to next level, claim your badges. Okay, so I have created some. So for me, when today you are a freedom, you're a wanderer, you're finding something, searching for something, right? So now when you do your day one assignment, and with attending every single day, even if you don't do your assignment, which is for your call, you're not doing the assignment for me, you're doing it for yourself. Just by attending the session, you will claim your badges. So from a wanderer, if you complete, today you have attended the first session, so you have automatically become a seeker for me. So from wanderer to ultimate freedom seeker, that is your level 1 badge. And now tomorrow onwards, your assignment becomes tougher. So the moment you do your day 2 assignment, you become a challenger. And if you complete your day 2 and day 3 assignment, you become a achiever. Okay. And day 4, you become a champion, ultimate freedom champion. Right. So these are your badges. Okay. Earn your badges. Okay. So everything that you need to communicate with me will happen on the group. Keep your questions relevant. Okay. Keep your things relevant to the forum and that what we are discussing. Everything will be on the group. I will not respond to any personal messages on PM. Okay. And review of your work is bonus. I will be making an offer on last day. And as I already said, if you have just come to extract data or promote your offerings, this platform is not for you. This forum is not for you. You don't belong here. Kindly leave. Okay. So no self-promotion allowed. No collecting of databases. You can do whatever you want to do. I know that, right? There are ways you can do it, right? I leave it up to you. Nobody buys like that. You are spoiling your own reputation. Even if somebody wants to buy, they will not get in touch with you because of your approach, because you're pushing your stuff. And that is what I'm teaching. Don't push. If there is a need, then serve that need. Right? So that's about it. These are my announcements. Now, can I have your agreements? Right? So will you participate in your totality? Will you participate in your totality? Assignments you can submit in group. Yes, everything happens on the group. Assignments you will have to submit in the group. And if you think somebody is going to steal your content or whatever, first of all, there is nothing called stealing your content. If people steal your content, they can't communicate it with the intensity that you can. So there is nothing called copying content or whatever. Okay, because last batch somebody said somebody will steal my content. So if you think like that, please don't share your assignments. Simply participate and learn whatever you have to learn, because everybody has their own experience of truth. It's in your context, so there is nothing called steal. It's just, you know, modeling and getting inspired. And if somebody's copying you, be happy that you're worth copying. Okay, so there is now the very petty things. Okay, petty things. So if you feel comfortable, then share in the group. Otherwise, you can just absorb the learnings. If you don't share, I will not be reviewing your work. As simple as that, right? So what else? Yes. What else do I have here? Let me check. To my capacity, I would like to absorb nuggets. Yes, golden nuggets of wisdom. Nagaditya is saying yes. So can I now? I need certain agreements. Well, first of all, I mean, I don't even have to ask for the first one because you guys have been so amazing. I'm super happy. Every batch, the participation is increasing, and it really makes me give you more. Okay. If I get response from that side, my energy goes still higher. Okay, so thank you for participating today, and I wish you will continue this participation across all 5 days. Okay, by responding in chat box, doing your assignments, honoring my optional asks. Okay, so that's about it. Showing up on all 5 days on time. You will not get automated calls now except on day 5. Okay, and taking actions by completing your assignments and claiming your badges, and keeping the relevant chat conversation, keeping the conversations relevant to what we are doing. Do I have your agreement on this? Thank you so much, guys. You're super awesome crowd here. I'm my every batch it is going, the quality, the level of participation, the aptness of the group is simply growing. I can see it evolving. Thank you so much, guys. It means a world to me. Okay, I thought I will let you share few things today, but half an hour today we kind of was just settling down with challenges because I changed the format for this group. I changed my delivery format for this group. So that's okay. Maybe across these days you can share what you have to share. I wanted to know each other. I wanted to allow some people to speak. So that's all. So assignments done, agreements done, announcements done. Today's session knowledge bites done, wisdom bites. Okay, done. All right. So that's all I have for today. Now I am going to stop screen share. And if anybody wants to say something to me, share, express yourself. How was your day today? I will allow you to speak right in the chat box, and I will let you come on the I will open up the platform for you. Anyone would like to share anything? Just let me know. Me, and I will just let you speak. Submit assignments on group and KDM both are answers. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा. Parvesh Malik ji is saying wonderful experience. Manusha Anand says Shama is saying my gratitude. Anyone wants to come on the all right. Any questions for me? Thank you so much, Gauri. Thank you so much, Rambat. Rambachan Yadav. I'm sorry, I'm butchering your name, Niharika Ghosh. Today the day ends on a positive note. Yes, so that you can begin afresh next day. I'm super excited to serve you with awesome, powerful, insightful learnings that really matters for your growth. Then the ball is in your court. You will have to do whatever it takes to take these learnings forward. Make sense? Anybody has any questions? If not, say NC, no questions. Thank you, Amit. Thank you so much, Chetan. Thank you, Nagaditya. Thank you. The points are good, but can we be able to pull it up on a proper form and shape to use it as a creative and productive way? Up to you. Outside, there are too many things I have to manage. So you guys can. That is why when people share, you can download and you will have that as well. So there are a lot of things by sharing. Givers gain. When you share, you get more, right? So that is the law of sharing, right? Nobody has become poor by sharing. So, or giving, right? So nobody has become poor by giving. The law of the not only online world, the law of this universe is givers gain. It may not be a direct gain, but the universe rewards you exponentially for the gifts that you do with an intention to serve people and not cheat people. So, very important stuff, guys. Very basic moral science kind of a thing, but very powerful stuff. Okay. I am a product of giver's gain in my life. That is why I so strongly feel about it. Okay. Thank you so much. And I also look forward to tomorrow's session. I look forward to your assignments. A list of challenges you don't have to share. Genuine challenge you don't have to share. Only the list of courses that you want to create that you can share. You can list all the courses, and from that, I will ask you to pick up one course, but after tomorrow's session. So now, if you don't do your assignment, we are every day building up on something. So if you don't do your assignment, simply because just absorb the knowledge. Okay. But if you want to really make it fruitful, I want you to do the assignments, whether you are sharing on the group or not, that is secondary. But everything will be building up on this, because the list of courses, then selecting one course, and then based on that course, we will work on your GPS. And based on that, we will look at creating your influence building content bank. And from that will come out your first high converting online course. So everything is building up. Nothing is will be done out of context. Okay. So thank you guys for your time, and I look forward to hosting you tomorrow as well. And I will just do some polish. I'll have little kind of go and do my gray hair, so I come more young and energetic. Right. Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone, and God bless. Good night.